In this video, how to fix this error when using the Ventoy USB boot. When the secure boot is enabled, we need to add Ventoy's key as a trusted key to the machine owner key (MOK) database. Press any key on the shim UEFI key management screen. The first way, Enroll key from disk. Select Enroll key from disk and press Enter. Select Ventoy UEFI and press Enter. Select Enroll this key in mockmanager.sare and press Enter. Select Continue and press Enter in the Enroll MOK screen. Select Yes and press Enter to enroll the keys. Finally, select Reboot and press Enter. You should be able to boot with the Ventoy drive now. Enroll hash from disk. An alternative way to enable secure boot support for Ventoy is by trusting the current version of the bootloader. Select Enroll hash from disk. Select the following file. Select Continue and press Enter on the Enroll MOK screen. Select Yes and Reboot on the next two screens. After the reboot, you should be able to boot with the Ventoy drive. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.